everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be two kind of hair buns. So I have this bigger one and a smaller one. Both are done under a minute and are perfect when you just washed your hair when it's just dirty. All you need is a hair bobble, some hair pins or bobby pins. You need a brush, bristle brush to brush back any baby hairs, and then, or you could use a toothbrush if you don't have one of them brushes. Use an old toothbrush and some hairspray. That's all you need to achieve a really quick and easy hairstyle. Don't forget to check all the links in my bio for all my other social medias. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I post videos once or twice a week, and also next month I'm going to be doing a daily video as well, so keep an eye out for that, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy.
So we're just going to start off with a big smile because I didn't think I was going to do the intro bit, but then I did. Anyway, so you just want to brush your hair into a high ponytail, and don't mind any flyaways right now because we're going to brush them all back in a second. So you just want to brush your ponytail as high as you can, or you could do this a little bit lower. I just prefer, you know, top knot to be at the top of the head. It kind of seems a little bit better. And then get the smallest but stretchiest and tightest little elastic band that you can't pour around your head. I also put the laughing face on because I looked really funny, the faces I was making. Then some hairspray, and then use the brush and little bristle brush. Also, like I said in the intro, you could use a little toothbrush, which is just as handy. And this one's just easy. This is just a twist and a wrap around. So this is like a smaller top knot bun that's just really easy to do, and this one is perfect for me on the days when my hair is a little bit greasy or a little bit dirty and it's just up and it's out of the way, and I can't stop looking at my face the way my eyebrows go. But it's just up and out of the way. You can brush away more of the flyaways at the back or add a little thing to the front of your head. So then I used the same ponytail and I just split my hair in half, and then I just did a basic braid. So just a basic 3-strand braid, breaking the hair into 3 pieces and then applying left over right, left over right, left over right the whole way down on both sides. And I didn't tie them with a band, I just used a little pin. So you want to fluff up the bun a little, the braid, you just want to fluff it out a little. They call it pancaking, and this makes the bun a little bit bigger. If you wanted it smaller, don't pancake it out, just leave the braid nice and tight. If you have thicker hair, you might want to think about wrapping some hair around the elastic band before you continue to this part, but that's completely personal preference for you. So yeah, then I just have them there, and you decide which one is best to go over the bottom. It's normally the bigger one to start it off, or the kind of messier one, I think. So you just want to wrap it around and pull it back to the back and tie your little leftover hair at the back. And then you just want to mess around with different pins and different pieces of hair, just see which one works the best to make it look the nicest. And then you wrap the other one the opposite way around, and then you just want to fluff it again until they look similar. And I just did this for a second or two because these are hairstyles I've done loads of times, but for you as well, a few times doing it, you'll be able to do it in no time. Just keep fluffing around with it, get some hairspray, get down the little side bits, little flyaways. And yeah, so this one takes a little bit more time, like 10 more seconds kind of in the morning than the other one, but both buns are really easily done and really easy to learn to do as well. So like I said, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Check out all my other social medias. I do lots of cosplaying on my Instagram, so you can check out that. And yeah, like it says, like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one.